DJI have just released an update, 1.19.4, and they've fixed some issues, but they've also enhanced other features as well. Now, recently getting the RC2 controller, that's got a feature on it that is absolutely perfect. So the first thing that DJI fixed is spotlight mode. If you use spotlight mode and you have your controller in cinematic mode and you also have the obstacle avoidance on bypass, then the drone would not move whatsoever. So thankfully that has been fixed. The next one is support for propeller guards. Now, I don't use propeller guards on the Mini 5 Pro. I had them on the Neo, but I don't see the point in having them. Are they worth it? If you've got them, let us know if it's beneficial or not in the comments. The next one is optimal low battery strategy. Now, all that means is when it's returning to home, it's a lot more reliable and it calculates the route a lot better. The next thing in relation to that is the enhanced obstacle avoidance visuals. Now with that, it means while you're flying, you can see the camera of what you're filming, but also you can see through the cameras of the obstacle avoidance cameras, so you can see down and you can see behind you. So it gives you a full 360 of your flight. So it just means it's a lot more safer. Now, the last but not least is a feature that I won't use, but I know someone who will. This is for people who go out running, hiking and the likes. You can have an Apple Watch feature and you can control your Neo 2 and also your DJI Flip with that. So that's great. One thing I would say is if you're updating to the latest updates, make sure you double check all the features. Now, when you update to the RC2 or anything like that, make sure that some of the settings haven't defaulted, like the maximum height, the maximum distance, and also the return to home height as well. So just get into your settings and double check that as well. Now, last but no means least, I've just got hold of the DJI RC2 finally, and I've updated the firmware on the drone and I've updated the software on this little beauty. And what it came with is the DJI Simulator. Now, this may be old news for some of you, but it's new for myself, and it's been a perfect little companion over the last few days. Now, it's been pouring with rain, it's been windy, it's been snowing, and it's going to be raining for the next few weeks as well. So this is the only day I've been able to get out. But when I've been at home the last couple of days, I've been trying out the DJI Simulator. Now, it's a great little bit of kit, as I always say, and I'll show you a little bit of video and I'll come back and talk a bit more about it in a second. So that was just the DJI updates and also that excellent feature, the DJI Simulator. Now that is something that is perfect for someone like me and beginners that can just sit at home. They don't have to worry about visual line of sight or the drone flying off or any of that drone anxiety. They can get on the simulator. They can do the gimbal rolls, they can work out the C1, C2 buttons and different functions and just how the sticks work, get more confident and comfortable with the controller. So when they do go out, or when I do go out, we can just enjoy the time and we've mastered a little bit more of the DJI drones. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and let me know how you are getting on, if you've used the simulator and if you think that helps you, or any advice you can give me with the Mini 5 Pro. It's greatly received, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, helps me out massively and gets more cool people like you watching. Anyway, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.